Right, okay, I'm not sure what this is. You'll know already because it's going to be in the title description, but I've got something that has been sent. Let's see what it is. It's a cardboard box. And inside that cardboard box are two red 3DSs. Happy days. Well, let's see what they do. That one doesn't turn on. That one doesn't turn on. That charges up. So I'm going to leave that to charge and I'll come back to you in a minute. Right, we've charged up a bit. Yep, power light comes on. I'm going to take this one and put it in on charge over here. And let's see what this does. So, first things first, the L and R buttons. L works at a push up. So let's just open the camera with that. Rear camera works. Front camera works. Okay. Close that. Where's our trusty Cubic Ninja? So yes, it's PAL, well, UK European region, and it reads the cartridge, so that's good. Let's check the touch screen is calibrated properly. We're gonna have to remove the pin. Other settings, touch screen, jab, jab, jab. So yeah, that's okay. Let's remove these parental codes. Lovely. To do that, I went to a website called mkey.salthacks.org. What's your favourite film? Oh, my eyesight is terrible. Film. Okay. Jolly good. Clear settings. Right. That's those removed. So we need to sort out the L and R buttons. So I'll keep that plugged in for the time being. And what I hope I can do I might as well unplug it now because that's out. I've got to take the back off, so I can't do that whilst it's plugged in because the battery's still there. What I'm going to do to start with is just soak the buttons with IPA and hopefully they're just a bit grimy inside, and that will be all it takes to get this one going. But if not, I'll go to the spares box and we'll switch out the actual buttons. So pop that to one side. Absolutely swim it in the stuff. And just sit here and do that. I'm going to let that soak in for a bit. Okay, that's soaked for a while. Hopefully that will have done the trick. So I'm just going to pop this back on. Not going to put the screws or anything in yet, just in case we need to come back into it. Where's that charging cable? Let's get it charging up a bit more. And yep, as you can see, the R button's working a treat and the L button's working a treat. Up, down, left, right, up, down, left, right. So, pretty sure this one is good to go. A and X work. No, let's profile, username. Unfortunately, the buttons don't work on there because they're not needed. Not sure how to test all the other buttons without perhaps just putting a game in. What does Pokemon do? This is that wonderful Pokemon White, but oh, for God's sake, I meant to start the game. But yes, I think this was the easiest fix I've had all year. Just needed the buttons cleaning out. Yep, B button works as well. Brilliant. So this one just needs to charge up, and it's sorted. Got to screw it back together, of course. I'll do that, and then we'll look at the other one. Hopefully that's equally as simple. Sorted, so let's put that out the way, swap that round on the charger so that it's charging on the one over here, and then let's have a look at this one. So this has been on charge for a little while, but just want to make sure the charging port isn't wobbly. Does it turn on? It does. Let's wedge Pokemon in there. Yep. Settings. It's not red Pokemon yet, but we know that's an iffy cartridge. E, so it's a Euro version, parental controls, none available, so that's good. Other settings, touchscreen. Yep, that's registered all of those, so that's good. Do the L and R buttons work? Yep. The right button's not working on this one, but it also doesn't feel like it's clicking. But let's just start Pokemon. So far the right trigger's gone on this one as well. Yep, A button works okay. So they seem to be all right. It's very slow at getting to the menu. Yeah. Open the camera, make sure that works. Yep, rear camera works and front camera works. SD card's being read. Brilliant. So again, let's pop this one apart. will soak up the R trigger. A bit gacky inside. So let's do that again. So just like before. Plenty of IPA right in there. I mean, the left one was working, but it's not going to hurt to get it a bit cleaner. And yeah, I'll pop that down there and I'll come back to you once that's seeped in and I've clicked them a bit more. Right, okay, let's just get that in there a bit more. And hopefully, when I reattach it to here, they will work. I mean, I do apologise for this being quite a simple and straightforward video, but if you have sticky L&R buttons that don't work on your 3DS original, this is the ideal way to clean them. Ah, not working still. Right, well, that might have got a little bit more interesting, but not by much. Let's go and find another one. Okay, this one is battered up and horrible, so I can't just swap it over. Hopefully the buttons will work, and then we can take it out of here and put it in this one. No, the right one's still not working. That's curiouser and curiouser. Let's try another one. Right, well, we have a whole selection of them here. So first of all, let's try this one. Yep, that works. Left and right, left, left, right, left, right. So let's whip this back off. Pop those out of the way. That's the one we want, so and then the same with this one. Although on this one I'm just going to fold that back. Yep, that's popped in there nicely. Yep, that's in place. Obviously, if you've got the left one faulty instead of the right, it's the same process, but you just take out those 3 screws there and pop it out. So, right, let's get this back together again and again. I've just changed the wrong one out, haven't I? No, that's all right. I was getting confused for a minute. Right, that should, he says, be okay now. Yep, the R button works and the L button works. Excellent. So, apart from screwing that back together, we're pretty much done there. So I'm going to leave it there for now. Put the screws back in because nobody wants to watch that. And I'll see you around for the next one. Thanks a lot. Catch you later. Bye.